Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the mimic motion feature in CapCut. So CapCut's new mimic motion feature lets you transform movement from a video onto any still image. So you can just watch this quick guide to make your pictures dance, walk, and pose in seconds. So to start, you can just create a new project and upload your still image. For example, I'm going to just use this ones right here. You can just click on add. Now click on a photo in a timeline, swipe until you find this mimic motion feature. So if you're using CapCut for free, you'll have a one free use. So use wisely. And in here, you can just upload a reference video if you want to bring your image to life by referencing into a video that features one real person, full body or upper half. So you can just click on the plus button, or you can also just here click on the mix option to replace the subject in the video and make it move. So you can just choose the model in here, and you can just click on the templates if you want to use a template movement. So let's say I'm going to find the templates right here. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. You can just tap on generate, and CapCut will generating the motion. So you can just wait. I think it will be done in like minutes, so you can just wait here. Let's just wait. Okay, so now it is done, and let's see the result. So before it's a still image, now it become like this. So that's how you can use the mimic motion feature in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.